Hello everyone, this video is about Pompeii, Italy. Pompeii was an ancient city located near the Napoli in the Campania region of Italy. We visited Pompeii, Italy in 2017. Pompeii was buried under meters of ash and pumice after the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. The preserved site features excavated ruins of streets and houses that visitors can freely explore. The excavated city offered a unique snapshot of Roman life, frozen at the moment it was buried. Pompeii is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Italy. Pompeii was a wealthy town, enjoying many fine public buildings and luxurious private houses with lavish decorations, furnishings, and works of art, which were the main attractions for the early excavators. Organic remains, including wooden objects and human bodies, were entombed in the ash. Over time, they decayed, leaving voids which archaeologists found could be used as molds to make plaster casts of unique and often gruesome. The area around Pompeii became very prosperous due to the desirability of living on the Bay of Naples for rich Romans and due to the rich agricultural land. Many farms and villas were built nearby outside the city, and many have been excavated. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius lasted for 2 days. The first phase was of pumice rain, lasting about 18 hours, allowing most inhabitants to escape. That only approximately 1,150 bodies have so far been found on the site seems to confirm this theory. And most escapes probably managed to salvage some of their most valuable belongings, and many skeletons were found with jewelry, coins, and silverware.
Yeah, we had to cancel a lot of flights and everything, so the lava went down the sky into the flight path of all the planes. It's when we went to Philippines.
Really? So we could have died if we took that flight.
Oh yes, they got the plane down all the lava and all the ash and they got into the engine.
You get loads in like flight plane. I think that's like when how you say jobs for flight plane. You could die as well, can't you?
Yeah, I can't remember that.
I know.
The museum contains a vast collection of artifacts from Pompeii, Herculaneum villages and villas in the Vesuvius area, plus items from the other regions in Italy. Many of the pieces were discovered in the 1700s, and it retained as part of royal collections. The wall paintings and mosaic portraits from Pompeii and Herculaneum are exquisite. The artifacts provide a very clear vision of the culture and daily life up to 79 AD.